Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and in this video we are going to make so that the player bird rotates according to his set velocity. So when we are going up, he will be rotated like a little bit upwards, and when we are going down or when we crash, we are facing down, like in Flappy Bird. So yeah, let's get started. So we want to go to the player bird. Here we want to actually create a new function. Let's call it set rotation. And here on the set rotation function, what we want to do, first we want to get the game mode reference, and we want to get the game state. Okay, now we want to switch on it. So switch on game state enum. Let's connect it. And to the not started, we don't have to connect anything. And to the running, let's go more this way. And let's get our bird. So our flipbook reference. And from here, we want to set relative rotation. Let's get from the running. Okay, now let's split the new rotation. Let's get from the rotation Y. And let's get a map range clamped like this. And we want to connect it to Y because here if we go to the viewport and we select our bird and we rotate, you can see it is rotating on the Y axis. So let's go back to the set rotation. What we want to do here now, let's actually move this even further. And let's move this to here. Okay, we want to get our character movement. And we want to get our velocity. We want to split it so we can get our velocity set. And we want to connect this velocity set to the map range clamped value. Okay, and what we are doing now is we are getting the upwards velocity. And what this does is it clamps different values. So for example, 0 and 1, we can clamp these. You don't, by the way, have to do this what I'm showing now. You can clamp 0 to like for 500 if you want, and 1 to like 1000. So you can clamp it to different values, or you can clamp this to minus 500, so it will reverse it, and you can basically map it to any values. But for what we are using this now is we are changing the velocity to rotation. So the velocity set in range A, we want to set this to minus 5000. So if our velocity set is over minus 5000, then our value or our rotation in this case will be 30. Okay, and if it's closer to minus 10,000, which is the p value, then we will set the outrange p to minus 90. So it will be facing the bird will be facing, I will show you, minus 90, it will be facing down. Okay. So now if we compile, we save, and we go to play. Actually, one more thing, sorry, it will not work yet because our speed is too low or too slow. We want to go to the world settings, and here where we have physics override world gravity, we want to click on that. Okay, now when we play, we will have to connect the set rotation node. So let's go to the, not node, the function. Let's go to the event graph, and to the event tick. After the gravity, we want to set the rotation. Now let's compile, save all, let's go to level 1 and play. So now you can see. And yeah, and when we die, we don't have the rotation yet. So we will have to fix that or create that actually. So let's go back to the player bird and to the set rotation. Now we want to copy all this, not this from here. Control C, Control V under here. And now we want to get the set value and connect this value also. We want to get from the dead and connect to Add a reroute so everything looks a little bit cleaner. Let's actually align these. Okay. Now, when we are dead, we want to change these values a little bit. So we want to set on 0 set velocity and maximum to minus 2500. So this will be much faster. And we want to set this outrange A to 0 and outrange B to minus 90. So this will basically just make our character rotate downwards much faster when we die or when we are dead. So now compile, save, go to level 1 and play. And we fly to the pipe. He will rotate down and yeah, like that, like in Flappy Bird. So yeah, I actually think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more, because that will help me a lot. And yeah, thank you for watching and hope you guys have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.